Oh shit. That was great. That was amazing.
Wrote a little verse about the art of chiropractic adjustments of the back. Got you feeling magic, feeling lit, feeling light, feeling fantastic. Wanna get cracked up? You can have it. Got you feeling good, got you feeling good, got you feeling, got you feeling good, 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 got you spinning like a gyro. Got you feeling good, 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 got you spinning like a gyro.
Basically already identified her trouble areas. It's mainly the left and up through the neck as well. Okay. So first we're just stretching out the spine a little bit, and then we're going to be thrusting into the mid-back first. So right through here, I'm going to have you take a deep breath in. Go ahead and look straight forward. Okay, go ahead and look straight forward.
Look up. Oh,
yep.
Oh, me?
Yep. Rest the chin down. You can take your mask off too.
Okay.
Yeah.
I ain't got to breathe.
Yeah.
Woo!
Good. Okay, deep breath.
Oh, shit.
Okay, we're gonna take another deep breath. Exhale all the way. Good. And then through here. I'm just going to be pressing down on this side, and we're going to rotate the head just a little bit. Let's bring your arm back just like this. Bring this arm back. Relax that down. So we're going to lay on your right. Bring this nice and straight. Scoop right to the front. And then keep your hip tucked just a little bit. Perfect. Bring this arm down.
Shit. Like a pretzel.
Okay, exhale all the way.
Oh shit. That was great. Woo! Alright.
Other side.
Woo.
Bring this leg up.
Break my back.
Let's get to the front here. Good. Leg straight. Good, just like that. Arm down. Just okay, so we'll go right through here. Good.
Shit.
So first I'm just going to feel for where we need to go. So definitely right through here. That's where you're having a lot of pain.
Yes.
Okay. So just relax that shoulder down. Just relax here. Just relax. Go and scoot a little bit more forward. So you're able to just fully relax the neck. Good. Drop that left shoulder. Good.
Wait, what?
Yeah. Go ahead and sit all the way up. This one's gonna be easier like this. So pull this down under your chin, and then just like that. Have you ever seen a ystrap adjustment?
I've seen that on Instagram.
Mm-hmm.
Instagram used to be showing me stuff. Okay.
So go to my back. Make sure this is up just on the chin instead of your throat. And then make sure your tongue isn't in between your teeth and that your teeth are fully gently closed. So we're gonna do just a couple of light pulls and then one bigger one. And deep breath in, just relax.
That was amazing.
Let's get back down.
Woo!
Good. Let's relax for a second.
How was that?
That was good. That felt really good.
Where'd you feel that at?
Like on like the top of my neck.
Top of your neck?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
It's like you just like took off my head and put it back on.
Yeah.
Like you like unscrewed it. It's like if the screw was like screwed the wrong way and you like unscrewed it and you screwed it the right way.
Yeah.
It feels good. Yeah, it feels
Alright.
good.
Perfect.
Wrote a little verse about the art of chiropractic adjustments of the back. Got you feeling magic, feeling lit, feeling light, feeling fantastic. Wanna get cracked up? You can have it.